Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring cheats are available because command blocks require them. If you are in Java, open your world and use open to LAN allow cheats. Then click Start LAN World. For Bedrock, toggle cheats in world settings before launching. On servers, make sure you are op or have permission. Once done, verify you can run a simple command like /give at s command block. That confirms readiness and avoids troubleshooting later. You now get the command block via command because it's not in the creative inventory. Type /give at s command block 1 and press enter. That puts 1 in your hotbar. Place the block on a flat surface and face it, then right-click Java or tap /use, Bedrock to open the interface. Once opened, choose the block type, impulse for one shot, repeat for constant, or chain for sequences, and set conditional if it depends on another block. Make sure redstone can reach it to trigger execution. You finish by entering the exact command and choosing activation. If you need continuous action, set the block to repeat and always active. Otherwise, use a lever, button, or redstone clock to trigger an impulse block. Test with a basic command like /say hello to confirm it runs. If it does not, make sure you are op and that the block is receiving power or set to always active. Also recheck selectors and punctuation in the command. One key tip: a missing at or wrong bracket.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.